At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a user-generated content, UGC, business can be an exciting venture, especially in today's digital landscape where content creation and sharing are highly valued. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you kickstart your UGC business. 1. Market research. Understand your target audience and their content consumption habits. Identify niches or areas where there's a demand for user-generated content. 2. Define your niche. Determine the specific focus of your UGC platform. It could be anything from photography and art to reviews, tutorials, or even memes. Find something that resonates with your audience. 3. Platform selection. Decide whether you want to build your own platform from scratch or utilize existing platforms like social media, forums, or specialized UGC platforms. Each option has its pros and cons, so choose according to your resources and objectives. 4. Legal and compliance. Familiarize yourself with the legal aspects of user-generated content, including copyright, intellectual property rights, and user privacy. Ensure your platform's terms of service protect both users and your business. 5. Platform development. If you're building your own platform, invest in robust development to ensure a smooth user experience. Focus on features like content uploading, moderation tools, user profiles, commenting, and sharing functionalities. 6. Content moderation. Implement a robust content moderation system to maintain quality and ensure compliance with your platform's guidelines. This may involve manual moderation, AI-powered tools, or a combination of both. 7. User engagement and incentives. Encourage users to create and share content by offering incentives such as gamification, rewards, or recognition. Building a strong community around your platform is crucial for its success. 8. Monetization strategy. Explore various monetization avenues such as advertising, subscription models, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, or premium features. Choose a strategy that aligns with your audience and content. 9. Marketing and promotion. Develop a marketing strategy to attract users to your platform. Utilize social media, influencer marketing, content marketing, SEO, and paid advertising to increase visibility and user acquisition. 10. Feedback and iteration. Continuously gather feedback from users to improve your platform's features and user experience. Stay agile and be willing to iterate based on user needs and market trends. 11. Scaling up. As your user base grows, focus on scalability to handle increased traffic and content volume. Invest in infrastructure, technology, and manpower to support your platform's growth. 12. Community management. Cultivate a strong sense of community among your users by actively engaging with them, addressing their concerns, and fostering positive interactions. Remember, building a successful UGC business takes time, effort, and persistence. Stay focused on providing value to your users and adapting to their evolving needs and preferences. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.